One time we were sitting, all of a sudden we heard him screaming so loud.
Kick it.
We're like, what's going on?
Get it. Kick it with your feet.
I'm like, where?
Oh.
All of a sudden, right here, like a
Kick
teeth,
it.
actually. I'm like, what? He was, I don't know, he was trying to kiss her or hug her or something. She was mad at him and she just... Uh-oh. He knows how to defend himself.
Yeah. Kick it.
Girls usually do.
Yeah.
I think he's trying to take it away. You better get it, Amani. You better get it.
Those are tomatoes. Those are Romas. Yeah, they're a little bit longer.
You guys are wearing yourself down good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Yeah. And then you have to take it with your feet. Now try to win the ball away from him.
Tomatoes are looking good in the back.
Okay, can you give it, Nasim? Can you give it Manny now? That's...
Guess what? This is the playing soccer. It's kicking
Yeah.
it.
It is. You're good at it.
Give him Manny the ball, let it try. Let him Manny try now? I know. Can you let her try now?
Yeah, that thing's had its better days, huh?
I know. I thought about picking up something for the rooster, but yeah, I think it's.
Okay, Amani, go get the ball. Go get it. Go get it. Uh-oh. Don't let your dad do it. He'll get it away from both of you guys. He'll get it away from both of you guys.